Hello everyone, this is Sarah from CSPower battery. This is the procedure of HEM separator assembling. These workers put the synthesized plate into the battery case and squeeze it firmly, as you can see in detail. Last year, we purchased an advanced automation welding machine. Lead-acid battery welding may generate spark for high temperatures, so it needs to be operated in a safe environment. Our automatic welding equipment has a transparent cabinet outside to protect the safety of the workshop and workers.